in particular, right, as it relates to the SFR investing, the fact that the capital has come into the space, that it's really become a full-fledged asset class that people have invested in, is really speaks volumes, right? I always like to tell people it's sort of hidden in plain sight, right? Everybody's been told real estate's a good a good investment, or someone knows something about real estate, but it's really the ability to use leverage, use capital, use financing to acquire more and more doors. And so it's become fun now, right, to go to the conferences, go out to events, go out and visit our clients. That now, 10 years ago, we're just in the infancy of this, and here they are, really large operators, or they've really made a career and a business out of it. So I think that speaks volumes, right? And capital and people continue to invest in the space, right? It's not like it's slowed down. In fact, it's becoming more and more relevant as the housing shortage and rents increase and what have you is continuing. So I think that's been fun. When I think about the evolution in general, I mean, it has to also be coupled with the fact that technology, right, has come along. I mean, what you can do on your phone now, right, is you can literally find a home, you can tour it 3D virtually, you can buy the home in some cases on some platforms, right, without transfer the money, right, and without ever really actually seeing the home. You can buy a home, similar to how you could buy a Tesla, like on an app. It's kind of mind-boggling, but that also doesn't help the entire ecosystem, right? The old adage is invest in areas that that you're familiar with, and I think that still holds true. But there's a lot of remote investors now. I know multiple people that live on the West Coast and invest in Charleston and Raleigh, North Carolina, right? And the first question is, well, what do you do if something goes wrong? Well, now, right, there's different platforms and technologies with property management, right? You can get remote property managers, you can vet them, you can sort of, they have platforms that rate them similar to Google reviews or whatever, platform you choose. And so now you can really think about all the parts of the ecosystem that come together in managing a rental property, and it can all be done virtually. So I think seeing the technology come along right in line over this timeline has also created really a massive opportunity for the space.